Are you going to appear in interview and you are fearing that your English is weak and you have no idea how to express the thoughts in English language? Do you have some problematic situation while expressing your thoughts in English language among your students? Then don't be disappointed, because I am just going to help you to speak English language naturally. Hi, my name is Jamaluddin, and in this video I shall give you some authentic suggestion that how with the help of a storytelling you can enhance your communicative skill in English language. In this video I have selected a story, and this story is in English language. This story will be analyzed in English language, and really you are just going to get a specific method by which you can express your thoughts in English language clearly and vividly. So I request to all of my subscribers that they need to focus in every words that I will speak in this video. And so the story is like that. In ancient time in India, children were sent to Gurukul to study, and so just like a school in ancient time, there was a Gurukul near a forest and away from the town. So thousands of children were getting their education in that Gurukul. One of the boy from the nearby village was also sent in the Gurukul to study, but the boy did not take heart in his study. The master of that Gurukul tried his every best possible method to teach the boy, but the boy even did not get a bit of education that the master taught him. So at last the master of that Gurukul allowed the boy to go his home. With the heavy heart, the boy left the Gurukul to go his house. During the journey from the Gurukul to his house, he saw a well where some women were preparing for fetching water. So the boy went near the well to request some amount of water because the boy was feeling thirsty. The boy went there and he at first asked for some amount of water to one of the women who were near the well. At that moment the boy saw some marks on the stone. So the boy eagerly asked the woman that how the stone got these marks. One of the women answered that with the repeated movement of the soft rope, the stone got these marks. The boy became amazed that a soft rock can make a mark on the hard stone. So why can I not study if we do repeated practice? So the boy did not go his house. Instead of this, the boy went back to the Gurukul and requested the master of that Gurukul that please sir, give me another opportunity to reform myself. The master of that Gurukul gave him a chance for the betterment of that boy, and the boy within some years made a huge difference with the help of repeated practice. And do you know, the boys got a beautiful prize and identification in the world of Sanskrit grammar. Due to the tremendous practice and hard labor, the perseverance labor in the world of education, boy got a beautiful and authentic identification in the world of education. In this video, we learned that success is due to the sacrifice. Do you know, success must come to those who give their supreme sacrifice to their study. By this story, we can learn two things. One thing is that the repeated practice of anything can give you the degree of mastery, and the second thing is that how you can express the English sentences and how you can express the story in English language. Really, trust me that with the help of a storytelling in English language, you can enhance your English speaking. So I request to all of you that really if you have intentions to increase your communication value in English language, you need to practice again and again to speak little more sentences of English so that you can improve your English speaking fastly. At last, I request to all of my subscribers and the viewers who are watching this video to do their tremendous practice to achieve their goal. And at last, you can see she is my daughter and she is very eager to learn English language. Many a time she tells me, I also want to learn English language. So I got an opportunity to take an admission of my daughter in a school, and with the help of your blessing, and if I tried myself to carve my children, one day my daughter must speak English language very effectively and easily in comparison of me. Thank you.
Thank you.